Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious hard candy without needing a thermometer. First, combine 2 cups of sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and 1/4 cup of corn syrup in a saucepan. Heat this mixture over medium-high heat, stirring gently until all the sugar dissolves completely. Once boiling, stop stirring and let it cook. We'll use the cold water test to check its progress. The first test is the soft ball stage. Drop a small amount of the hot syrup into a bowl of very cold water. If you can gather it into a soft, pliable ball that flattens when removed, you've reached this stage. This is perfect for fudge, but our hard candy needs to cook longer. Keep the heat steady and watch it closely. Hey everyone, if you're finding these candy-making tips helpful, please hit that subscribe button and give us a like. And on another note, after all that delicious candy, your car might need a refresh. Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. You can find the link for that and other great deals in the description. Now, let's get back to the video. Next, we're looking for the hard ball stage. Repeat the cold water test. This time, the syrup should form a firm ball that holds its shape well, but still has a little give. It's getting closer, but we need it even harder for that satisfying crunch. Don't rush it. Patience is key to perfect candy. Finally, the hard crack stage is what we want. When you drop the syrup into cold water, it should instantly form brittle threads that snap cleanly when bent. This means your candy is ready. Quickly remove it from the heat, stir in your desired flavor and color, then carefully pour it into prepared molds or onto a greased surface. Let it cool completely.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.